Good morning, students. I am Mrs. Sunila James, your English teacher. Today, we will start again the video and the literature lesson number 5, lesson number 3 and 4 is cut. And lesson now we will start with the new chapter, The Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. Students, do you know about William Shakespeare? Anything you have heard about? You have read the biography? Okay, I will explain you. I will read and you listen to the topic. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language. He is often called the Bard of Avon. His works included 38 plays, 154 sonnets, 2 long narrative poems, and several verses. His plays have been translated into every major language and performed more often than those of any playwright. In this chapter, there are different characters are there. Now, some of the pictures are on the screen. You can see that pictures. First one is the Antonio. Antonio was the title character in the Shakespeare. He was a moneylender. He was generous. And we will read more about in the play. Gretano. Gretano was a friend of Bassanio. Portia was a rich, beautiful, intelligent heiress of Belmont. Next character is Bassanio. Bassanio was a friend of Antonio. Shylock was a Jewish moneylender. Jessica was the daughter of Shylock. These are the characters of this chapter. Now, we will start with the chapter, The Merchant of Venice. There lived in Venice a rich and prosperous merchant named Antonio. Was living in Venice, the rich merchant. What was the name of that merchant was Antonio. The play was introduced us to a world of wealthy upper class Christian man living in Venice. Antonio is the title character in Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. An influential, powerful, and wealthy nobleman of Venice. He was a rich man, he was a powerful man, and he is middle-aged man and a merchant by trade who has his financial interests tied up in the overseas shipments. That is, he was having the ship's goods and he used to sail the ships. That was his job. He was generous as in giving the money to his friends and to the people who are needy. He is kind, generous, honest. Then another character is been given here is a Bassanio. Bassanio, a gay and gallant youth. That is, he was an young person. He was a brave, noble-minded youth who has need of money due to his reckless and extravagant lifestyle. That is, Bassanio is a friend of Antonio. Bassanio is very extravagant. He used to lavishly use his money. Bassanio was brave, noble, and handsome. His lifestyle was lavish. Due to that, he asked money from Antonio. Always he used to ask the money from the Antonio. He has many friends. He used to waste his money with his friend. He don't know how to manage his money. That is why he always go and ask Bassanio about the money. Next paragraph. One day Bassanio went to Antonio for further help as he had come to the end of his fortune. That is, he has finished all his money. Now he has went to the Antonio. Why he went to Antonio? To ask money. He wanted the money. He has to pay the money to the creditors. Creditors, who are the creditors? A person or a company to whom money is owing. That is, he was owing the money. He has to give the money to his people. I have thought a way out of my trouble. I have thought, that is, he has thought, that is, how to see this money, how to give this money. That is, he was having some planning in his mind. Dear friend, he said, if you help me this last time, I shall repay. That is, he was saying to his Antonio, his friend, this is the last time I am asking you the money. Next time I will not ask you any money. If this is the last time you give me, I will repay all that. Whatever I owe from you, I am going to give you. This money in a period of time I am going to give you. This was the thought was been said by the Bassanio. Next paragraph. Antonio was more than willing. He wanted to give, willing to help his friend. He wanted to help his friend, but what was the problem was that his ship has not came back. That was his problem. He wanted to know how Bassanio. Then he was having a question in his mind, how Bassanio is going to give the money. He's not having any money. How he will give back his money? Antonio wanted to help his friend, but he was having the doubt. How would he return the money? Then Bassanio explained. Then Bassanio has said, what he has said to the Antonio, that in Belmont, that is in Belmont, that place, there was what was that? There lives a beautiful, intelligent, and virtuous lady was living, and Bassanio feels sure that he can win her hand in marriage, but he can't go courting hanging if he is to make a good impression. He has to appear at least as well off as her other wealthy suitors. What is the meaning of suitors? A man who wants a particular woman to agree to marry him. That is, he wanted to marry that girl lady. She also loves and he also loves. That is why he said to this, he explained to the Antonio, that is, he loves that lady and he is wanted to marry, and she is very rich, that whatever the money I ask from you, I am going to return that money to you. In that way he has explained to Antonio. Unfortunately, Antonio had no ready money to lend. He was not having any. He wanted to help his friend, but he has not having any money in his hand. Antonio tell his young friend that he would gladly lend him whatever amount of money he needs, but at present time he himself is short of cash. He was saying he is already is having a short of cash. He is not having the money now, right now. Whatever the amount he needs, but the present time he himself in short. All of his money is tied up in his merchant ship, which are still at sea. In the sea, that is, he was saying, that is, he was, whatever the money has been there, it has been tied up in the, and the money has, that is, the ship has not came back. Now the only other rich man, he was saying, that is the Antonio has been only the last person I know, that is the only the rich money lender was who was that? Shylock. What type of personality was Shylock he was having? Shylock, a mean, a crafty fellow, and who had amaze means, that is, gathered a great deal of wealth by unfair means. That is, Antonio also was lending the money to the people. Shylock also is lending the money to the people. But what was the difference is there? The Shylock is taken the money from unfair means. He used to give the money on interest, and in that way he has gathered all his money. He was very mean, he was crafty, he was cunning type of personality was the Shylock was there. Next paragraph, that is and in this paragraph Antonio does not wanted to disappoint his friend. He knows of a money lender who will probably lend him the necessary amount, and Bassanio can and use Antonio's good name as a security for the loan. That is, I can become, that is, I will come with you and I will become as a security. That is, he was been telling the Bassanio. Antonio despised Shylock and treated him with the utmost scorn. That is, Shylock, when he saw Antonio, he became with an scorn and harshness. That is, what was his look was it was scorn. He became harsh. He has thrust him. He became a violent push over his threshold like a cur and a spat on him. Shylock had quietly submitted to all this indignities, but deep in his heart and cherished a desire for revenge on Antonio. That is, he wanted to take the revenge from that. But for him, thought Shylock, I should be richer by 500,000 ducats. Ducat is the currency of the Venice. It is the rich merchant was Shylock. He was mean, crafty fellow. He gathered this money and he was having a hatred in his mind for the Antonio. He agreed to lend the Bassanio 3,000 ducats for 3 months. He said, 3,000 ducats I will give you, and for the 3 months. He denounces the rate of interest. That is what he usually gives the money for the interest. He said, that is, I charge to hurt my pride, and business lend money free interest. Then he said, that is, I will not take any interest from you. I will give you the money. In that way he said. So when Antonio approached him for a loan, Shylock saw the opportunity. That is, in this way, then what happened when he has approached for the loan? Shylock saw the opportunity to take his revenge. This is the time to take the revenge. This is the best time to take the revenge from the Antonio. He pretended to be pleased to make friend. That is, he was pretending himself. That is, he was a good friend of him, and he will give the money without the loan. In this way, he was been pretending. He was acting as like that to the Antonio. However, he said to Antonio, just for fun, you will have to sign a bond. Then he said, now I was saying whatever it was, a fun was there. Now I am going to, what I am going to do, you have to sign a bond. That was said. What he said, you have to sign a bond wherein it shall be agreed that if you fail to repay in 3 months' time, then I shall have to right to pound of your flesh. This was what was the bond was there. It shall be agreed that if you fail to repay in 3 months in the money, if you are not able to pay the money in 3 months and the installment in 3 months, then what he will do, that is what that is due, that what he is going to in return, he may cut off 1 pound of the flesh from Antonio's body. That was the strange. This was the something that was And Bassanio was listening to all this thing. He was feeling very guilty. He was feeling very ashamed. That is what type of agreement he was been saying. What type of personality was Shylock. In that way, he was been thinking about about the Shylock, and in his mind, something has been going on. Shylock was an cunning person. He was saying that is something is wrong with this deal. Antonio agreed, but Antonio was a good friend of the Bassanio. He agreed. In 3 months, he will give that. Bassanio smelled something foul in the deal. That is, Bassanio was been thinking, saying that is this deal is not a good deal. This is something is wrong in this deal. This agreement is not good. Something is some crooked mind is been that is crooked thing has been going in Shylock's mind. And Antonio said that not undertake such a risk. He said to the Antonio, don't take this type of risk for me. But Antonio paid no heed. That is not heed means pay attention. He has not paid attention to the Bassanio's word. His but assured, that is what he assured, that is Antonio agreed because all of his ships are due back in Venice a full month before the bond falls due. That is, he was why he agreed, in a month that all the ships which was been in the when that ships will come back, and he can return the money, he can return the bond. In that way that is why he agreed it, and agreed to this agreement. He can repay the whatever the amount they are taking in 1 month. He can repay. Shylock is in a month he does sign the bond. That is why that he signed, Antonio signed that. In the means, Belmont and Woe his lady, that is say, that is you can marry to that the lady which you love, and in a month we can give back that. The very night Bassanio started Shylock a pretty, that is in that Shylock's daughter Jessica. Who was Jessica? Jessica was a daughter of Shylock. Eloped means she ran away with her lover. She ran away with her lover. She took the money which his father is owing, all that money, and she has ran away from that place. This is the first part of this chapter. Second part we will be given in the next video. Question answers also will be provided to you. In this chapter, you have to find out the characteristics of the all the characters which are given in the first slide. The pictures which are being given, you have to find out the more detail about that picture, and you have to write down the answers in your homework copy. In your class copy, question answers will be provided to you. You have to write. I think so you have learned the lesson number 1 and 2 question answers also. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.